Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today is March 4. Why this is very important? The US tariff against Canada and Mexico, 25% each. And then China already 10% is there. Now from today, it will be 20%. So this, the people were thinking, Trump is actually threatening the people to have upper hand in the negotiation table. So he might not go for the tariff hike. That tariff hike will lead to higher inflation within US. So there were all kinds of speculations, but nothing has happened. So he's going ahead with the tariff from today. So that has actually dented the sentiment in US markets. So US markets came under a severe selling pressure yesterday night. So this is one of the worst fall in last 2 months. So that is on one side. On the other side, though European countries are trying to support Ukraine and trying to broker a peace deal between Ukraine and US, things are not going in the right direction. So as per some report, US has stopped all the military aids to Ukraine. So these two things are really very, very bad. Our market is already in trouble. So everybody asked the same question for the last few days. When the global markets are trading at all-time high, if you are falling like this, like 15%, 20%, 25%, Nifty 50%, mid cap 20%, small cap 25%, what will happen if the global markets start correcting? And so, in fact, I said, I'll be coming out with a new video, but I'll just give you a rough idea. In 2018, when the mid cap crash started, so in few months' time, the mid caps corrected, and then everybody started shouting, no, this has got high value. India is a high growth economy where FIAs can go. On January 4, I remember seeing one video of a very famous television anchor where FIAs can go. They have to come here only. Our market is the only good market, And then see the FIA data since January 4. Since January 4, if I'm not wrong, FIAs were net buyers only for one trading day. In all the rest of the trading day, they sold continuously. And they have sold more than 1 lakh crore. Right? And the market has also fallen so much. So therefore, that's why always people say there is no support in a downtrend. There is no resistance in the uptrend. This means like there's no point in talking about support on the downtrend. There's no point in talking about resistance on the uptrend. So this is clearly downtrend, as I told you yesterday and last few days. So this is a sell and rise market. So any intraday, 100, 150, 200 point move, it is time to sell call options far out of the money, right? So although open interest indicate, 21,900 being a good support, yesterday the people became very bullish when the market, recovered from the lows and they sold heavily 21,900 put option. But look, today GIFT Nifty indicating a opening below 22,000, opening itself. So we will be opening, at 9-month low. So after that, we do not know what is going to happen. So either, the market can continue to fall or the domestic institutions can come in and buy heavily, to support the market. So to make sure that at least, the Nifty does not close below 22,000. Yesterday evening, I told you, the Nifty was trying to touch 22,000 many times, 4 times, 5 times, then recovered. So that recovery has to be very quick, very fast, very significant. Then only we can consider 22 as the good support. But now it's not even lasting one day. So all in all, our market structure is really very, very bad. So in fact, this time, I sold calls aggressively and then I bought put options also. So that is how I could manage. So if not, that would have been very difficult. But of course, I'm in some other trouble also. So I bought Nifty Base in cash market and I bought put option, at the money put option. So no matter how much market falls, I am nothing to worry. My buy put option is giving profit. But the problem is that my buy put option will come under business income. I have to pay tax this year itself, whereas that loss, will not be considered. So that will be a capital loss that will be carried forward. So there are some interesting videos. I'll come out very soon. My Tamil channel has been hacked and still we are struggling to restore, right? The hackers found some innovative way to hack it. So now the YouTube doesn't believe that it has been hacked, right? So anyway, it is time to be careful. Yesterday it was a unexpected sell-off in the Reliance Industries that dragged the market. Today we do not know the way US markets fell. Probably IT stocks may start falling once again, and the banking stocks are already weak, right? So there is no strong pocket. Yesterday it was IT and metals were doing well, but metal is not a big index; it's a very very small index. So IT index was the one supporting the market, but today that might be in trouble. So anyway, we'll see. Now with this fall, first time we might be opening and trading below 22,000. And then if you can remember, on January 1st, 2024, Nifty was around 21,800. From 21,800, it went up to 26,300 and then came down to now around that level. So that's why the 21,800 is considered to be a good support. So that's because, whoever invested, since January last year, they will be in loss. So, like at least this is for the people who invested last January. They are still sitting in profit, though the profit is just 1% or 0.5%, but still at least, it's green. They did not lose. Of course, if you have put the money in bank FD, you would have got 7% interest. Then what is the point of talking I made 1% in stock market with so much tension? But imagine the people who have done the SIP. So the people who are sitting in SIP, they're sitting with big losses, right? So this is where the actual danger can come. So if retail people lose faith and then, so they stop SIP, and then, if FIs continue to sell, then there'll be nobody to support the market. So earlier LIC used to support bond. Now look at the LIC. Yesterday I checked LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance, trading at a price below the book value and 5-6 PE ratio, right? So even the LIC could not save itself. And I'm talking about LIC Housing Finance. LIC I didn't check, but I think LIC is also down. So LIC could not save itself. How LIC is going to save the market? So the only good people are the retail people who have to pump in the money to save this market. But so the dangers are looming. So nevertheless, when everybody is busy, I'm one of the most bullish person. So I always say, when the last bull turns into bear, that is when the markets bottom out. So like I'm turning completely bearish. Who knows? Maybe markets may be bottoming out. So everybody saying, bottom is near, bottom is near. But, I was just joking. Yeah, bottom is near, just 22,000 point away, right? So, everybody's searching for bottom, everybody looking for stability in the market, but nothing is happening. So I hope the finance ministry is watching all these things, so they may take some measures to arrest this fall. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.